This is a review of the GiveBest portable electric space heater. I bought this to keep me warm and cozy during colder seasons. On the left, adjust the temperature of the heater and it will make a clicking sound if you transition from hot to cold or vice versa. The dial on the right has different modes, a fan button plus the off button. And you can feel the heat come out of the machine right away. If it gets to the point of overheating, then it will also turn off temporarily. If you tip over the heater, it will turn off, and overall it is a solid heater. I recommend.